Hey guys, so I hope you are all doing really well. I am back with another video today, but first of all I wanted to do a little bit of a disclaimer about content. Obviously you don't need to hear it from me. We are going through a really difficult period of time right now globally, and there has been a lot of discussion, mostly on Instagram, because that's kind of where I spend a lot of time as opposed to on YouTube. There have been a lot of discussions about what kind of content like we as creators, Instagrammers, YouTubers, bloggers, whatever you want to call us, should be sharing, what everybody wants to see, and the general consensus from asking my audience, asking you guys on Instagram at the very least, has been to carry on and making normal content, obviously. Keep calm and carry on, but you know, carry on making normal content in the sense of it's a nice light relief from the stress of thinking about coronavirus, because let's face it, it's been a strange few weeks to say the very least. So in terms of content from me that you'll be seeing a lot of my normal content in terms of beauty and lifestyle, but also obviously a little bit more tailored stuff because we're not going out at the moment. So whether or not it is vlogs, it is cooking videos, it is skincare routine videos, hauls, things like that, they will obviously be slightly tailored to the current situ. But nevertheless, I'm not going to be talking about it in every single video, and I kind of want to just have this as a little space outside of the madness that is currently ensuing in day-to-day life for each and every one of us, I'm sure. So with that aside, today's video is a baby haul. She's not really a baby anymore, she's a toddler. River, my little girl, turned 2 at Christmas, which is a super cute age. And I've recently been doing a little bit of shopping to update her wardrobe for spring summer, mostly because she's actually grown out of her 18-month to 2-year clothing, and is in need of some warmer weather stuff that she fits into. So I've already got like jeans, jumpers, things like that from winter that she still fits in fine, but I haven't updated her wardrobe for summer in terms of dresses, sandals, there's a hat, things like that. And I found the most adorable clothing. So there's some bits from Zara, which I don't actually shop in Zara much for myself anymore as a choice, but they do have really cute baby clothes, and a lot of stuff from Next as well. As a disclaimer in terms of like sustainability, and obviously I don't talk a lot about fast fashion brands anymore, it's really hard to avoid fast fashion for kids unless you're buying secondhand, and recently it has been tricky to buy secondhand in terms of going into charity shops and things like that. Obviously you can do it online, but all of this stuff is new, so I hope you guys enjoy seeing it. It is super cute. I'm going to start off with Zara. Zara is one of my favourite places to buy kids clothes because I think they do really good designs and the quality is really good. I always try and go for quality even if I'm buying something that isn't unisex. In terms of like long lasting, even if we don't have more girls, I know that I can pass it on to friends who have girls in the future. So Zara do really good quality baby clothes, and the first thing I got is this absolutely adorable straw hat. I buy her a hat every year, or obviously this is only her 3rd summer, so I have bought her a hat every year, and I really like this one. I think it is so cute with the like flat top, super cute little look. She's got adorable little blonde crazy curls, and this just looks super cute on her. We actually opened it up today and she was very excited about it. And then I also got some very cute little hair clips. River's not quite at that age yet where she is kind of picking her own stuff, so whilst she's not that age, I buy her cute little things like this. I would actually wear these. They're like a smaller version of the super trendy ones that you get for adults, and I just thought they were very sweet. So they're from Zara as well. Most of the time as well, I do actually do stuff to her hair and put either like bunches or plaits or clips or whatever, because she has very curly hair and it's kind of a little bit crazy in a good way, but some days you're like, you need to do something to it, otherwise you look like Einstein. So yeah, we do use a lot of hair clips. Other accessories, I'm going to jump from Zara to Next just for these because I'm going to keep the like accessories separate, but these are her summer shoes that I got for her. These are just super adorable, rose golds. They have that like flat cork bed base. They actually come up very wide. Like, she tried them on yesterday and they are very wide, but I feel like by the time it is summer and seeing through summer, like, her feet will grow a little bit, so they'll be fine. But if you are thinking of ordering these and your little one is in between sizes, definitely go down rather than up, because they come up very big. But super cute. I think these were £18, so kind of on the expensive side for Next, but they're very, very nice quality, and hopefully they'll see her through the summer this year. I just like little baby feet in sandals, best thing ever. Oh, going back to Zara, oh my god, the stuff that I got her from Zara is possibly the cutest ever. I'm going to start off with this t-shirt because I thought this was just absolutely adorable. It's got a little peplum, it's got this kind of like cut out fake Peter Pan collar, and then the detail on the sleeves as well. This was £7.99, so a good price for something that's got such good detail in it. It's also like a cream colour, it's not white, which is always good with little ones. How cute will this look with that hat? Absolutely love that. And then I also got her another little top, which looks like this. I love these because I think they'll both look super cute, like with jeans or with a little skirt or shorts. She's actually got a couple of pairs of like baby jeans and then a few pairs of shorts that she had last year that are actually slightly too big for her last year, so they'll be perfect. The thing that's cool about baby jeans as well is they often have the like adjustable waistband, so a lot of her stuff that I bought last year for her then will actually still fit her this summer. But yeah, so this is the little top, super, super cute. It's black as well, and I love kids clothes that are black. Quite hard to find. Again, this will look adorable with that hat. This was a bit more expensive, it's £15, but the quality is lovely. And then last but not least from Zara, I think this is my absolute favourite thing out of the whole haul. This is like a skirt slash pinafore dress. So cute. How adorable will this look with a white t-shirt? Cutest thing ever. Again, with that little hat will just look divine. And this was £15 as well, and all of them are in age 2 to 3. So that's it for Zara. In terms of Next, I've got a lot of things from Next actually. I'm going to start off with one thing from Depop because that's the only other thing that's not from Next. I got this tie-dye t-shirt for her from Depop. I actually think it's an independent seller rather than being second-hand, but I just thought it was so cute. I love this like pastel-y, like pale, it's like neon but not tie-dye vibe that you're seeing in a lot of places at the moment, and I just thought this would look cute. It's very oversized. I think this is age 3, so this will fit her probably until next summer as well. But I love that, and a lot of the time, especially like in the summer, if she's just kind of outside on the beach, don't know if we'll get to go to the beach this summer, but you know, she's just t-shirt and shorts, t-shirt and a nappy, t-shirt and a bare butt. That's the vibe I'm going for. Moving on to Next, I got the 2 cutest dresses ever. They're like tiered dresses. I feel like these will get worn a lot in the summer because they're very easy, like chuck on dresses. This one was £12. I think the other one was maybe a little bit cheaper. I think it was 11. No, they were both £12. I'm talking rubbish. This is the denim one. Super cute, super easy, really plain, but just very cute. And it will look super cute with those little sandals as well. And then I also got the gingham version, which looks like this. Again, age 2 to 3. Next come up really big, whereas Zara come up kind of bang on size wise. So I feel like these will probably even fit her next year as well, because they're that kind of top that's like, obviously this bit, they don't have sleeves, so the sleeves aren't going to get too short, and they'll just be a bit shorter. So I just thought those were super cute for £12 each. Absolutely adorable. I also bought the denim one for my niece's birthday as well. And then I got a couple of the like t-shirt dresses from Next. They do these every year. She had a couple last year and ended up living in them. The first one I got is this polka dot one, which is just like jersey material. It's very lightweight. Again, you can kind of layer these up in the sense that I'd put a plain white t-shirt or like a white vest, like a baby vest, underneath these, and I think that would be great for kind of springtime. But equally you could put leggings, not leggings, probably tights and a cardi with those. And the same thing goes for the t-shirt dresses as well. You can definitely layer these up, cardigan, tights, boots, and they're kind of like great for that transitional seasonal dressing. So yeah, this was £7 and very, very cute. Again, I don't go for much colour for Riv because whilst I can avoid the pink and sparkly stuff, I kind of do. I also got a long sleeve version of that one, which is slightly different because it's like a drop waist dress, which actually less flattering on the toddler frame. I feel like this would be better once kiddies get a little bit older, and then more like straight up and down, whereas at the moment Riv's like very skinny legs and arms with a big toddler tummy, and this shape's not as good for that, but she can still rock it because she's a baby. She can wear anything. And it is like a really dark charcoal, like almost black with white stars. This was £7 again, and these are the kind of thing that she just wears a lot if she's at home. She's not in nursery at the moment, but when she was, that's the kind of thing she'd wear at nursery, like the black one, probably not the white one, with like tights and trainers, and she's just rocking around, loves it. I also got her a jumper version of that last one, which looks like this. This is a little bit more like printy than I normally go for her, but I thought it was quite sweet, quite autumnal colours as well, and because it is next age 2 to 3, I'm sure it will fit her in autumn as well. Obviously, as you guys know, it's not always that warm in the UK, so I feel like this is actually like a really good kind of spring pick because it is like a thicker jersey material. It's very soft on the inside. It was £10 and I thought that was very cute as well. Next, do just brilliant kids clothes. And then last but not least, another jersey basic dress is this one. Again from Next. This is like a rust red colour with the high neck frills. Got frilly sleeves. This out of all of them is actually massive, and I feel like she might end up wearing this for autumn winter more than she does for summer, but because it's got elasticated sleeves, I feel like it will be okay in terms of like having too long arms. They won't slip down if they're elasticated. This was a little bit more expensive at £16. It's more expensive than I thought it would be, but still really sweet. And the other thing I was going to say, I know there are a lot of dresses in this video, and I don't dress her in dresses. At the moment she doesn't wear a lot of dresses, but she is approaching potty training time. I think I'm going to start potty training her once the weather is a bit like consistently better. She's 2 years and 2 months at the moment, so and she's not really like showing the key signs to start doing it, but I think by summer she will be. And I feel like potty training in dresses like this when she's got no tights on is going to be a whole lot easier than doing it in like separates and wearing like a skirt and a top and a bottom, things like that, because she can just lift it up and go. So yes, that is it for my River clothing haul. I think I got the most adorable things. I feel like she's got a great summer wardrobe, a fantastic summer wardrobe, and yes, that is it for this video. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Make sure you come back for more content coming your way from me. Let me know also what you would like to see, if there's anything specific you would like to see. Obviously, like I said in the beginning, kind of weird timing to be talking about light-hearted stuff, but I feel like we need it. And yeah, let me know what you guys would like to see on here, and I'll see you very soon.